Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today we're going to be trying the Celimax, the Real Noni Energy Ampoule. This product retails for $26. Very excited to try this best-selling Korean ampoule. This is something that's supposed to be soothing, nourishing, and hydrating for the skin. Going into this, I will be looking for a few specific things because I do struggle with acne, I struggle with redness, and this is claiming to soothe some of that. So I'm excited to see what I notice with this product. This product is vegan, cruelty-free. They do include fragrance in this formula, so just be mindful of that. But this is also alcohol-free. The main things I'm going to be looking for with it include, does the fragrance cause any sensitivity? That's always what I look for because sometimes I can experience that. It's rare and I'm not usually someone who experiences sensitivity to it, but I personally don't like that it's a soothing serum and it has fragrance in it just because I feel like it limits the amount of people who are able to use it. I'm personally able to tolerate it, but still. I also want to see what I notice with this serum, what the texture is like, and how it leaves my skin feeling. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I'm excited to talk about it, but there's one thing that I am not loving about it so far. I love, first of all, the nice kind of jelly texture that it has. It has this nice green tint to it, but it's definitely not enough to color correct. It is definitely just like an instant soothing bathing serum for sure. Very nourishing. My issue with it lies in the fragrance. I know fragrance in skincare is something that is not prone to set off sensitivity, but it does limit some people who are able to use this product. This has some pretty strong essential oils. I don't like using fragrance because I just don't like doing that to my skin. It can cause sensitivity over time. And also this fragrance specifically has been giving me a little bit of a headache. And ooh, to apply it on camera to show you, I love everything else about this serum. It leaves a nice, beautiful, radiant finish to the skin, which is perfect because I've needed that. Like, my skin is more dry because it is colder when I'm trying it, but it's just like headache central. Like, it is definitely overpowering with the fragrance. I know they use rosemary essential oils and some other essential oils. I know there's some in here that there have been studies that show it could cause sensitivity to the sun, I think. I'm not sure. Some peel oils I've seen that with, but I need to do proper research on that before I speak on it really. But ultimately, if you are sensitive to fragrance, it is pretty fragrance heavy. So I wouldn't recommend it for you personally, but this is a great feeling serum, and I just don't like when brands add fragrance and some unnecessary ingredients to products that are designed to soothe and calm the skin. I haven't seen any of those results yet, just because I've been using it for a couple of days. You can see some of my redness has calmed down slightly. Like, there's an initial instant slight calming benefit to the skin. I don't experience any stinging either. And it has a beautiful, nice water gel-like consistency. It's kind of jelly-like, and then it blends into like a water gel texture. Other than that, the fragrance is just really deterring me from liking it because it's just not a pleasant experience for me. If you are able to tolerate it, I wouldn't even rule this product out yet. I'm going to continue using it, seeing how it performs, but I just wish I didn't do that. But anyway, I'm going to continue using it and I'll check it again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. Here's the thing, it has a great formula attached to it in my opinion. They included great ingredients in here and I feel like it was a pretty calming serum. I didn't notice too many benefits with it, but I do feel like it was helping keep some of my acne away. Here's where I don't really like this product, and it's mainly because they use a few essential oils in here that I feel like I could be sensitive to. I've had a slight issue with tangerine oil and citrus essential oils in the past. This is something that is actually more of a recent development for me. My skin has kind of become a little bit more sensitized to some of these ingredients. Obviously, it depends on the formulation, depends on a lot of factors, and I experienced just a little bit of sensitivity to this product. I'm kind of tying it to that because I looked over the ingredients. Everything else is extremely soothing in this formula, and I didn't have to stop using this formula overall. I've had a couple couple of products with tangerine oil in them specifically recently caused some sensitivity with my skin. And so I feel like that with more extended use of this, that was what I was kind of experiencing with this product as well. But here's the thing, if you know you don't have the sensitivity to that essential oil, I feel like this is a really lightweight, beautiful option. Didn't really leave much of a finish on the skin, so I feel like any skin type would be able to use it. But if you know you have a sensitivity to that essential oils, any of the other essential oils or fragrance in this product, I do have an alternative that I personally am going to use over this one just because I experienced a little bit of sensitivity during this trial. I'm going to be using the Purito Centella Unscented Serum. Obviously, very different technology. I'm basing it off of the claims and what I saw with that product. Considering this product has fragrance in it, and the fragrance that they chose to use, I was just sadly sensitive to. With more extended use, I found I could use this in a limited amount, but honestly, I would just rather go for the Purito Unscented Serum because it delivered the benefits that this product claimed to deliver, where I could use it every day, twice a day, and get the maximum benefits out of it. I don't want to discredit this formula though. They have worked really hard on this formula. I really wish that they didn't include those because I feel like it would have worked great for me and worked even better if it didn't have those essential oils. Ultimately, it was working great at first, but with more extended use, I noticed just a little bit of sensitivity when I would touch my skin, when I'd wash my face, when I'd just be going on throughout the day, especially with using it with actives. I honestly think it's just my own personal sensitivity to the essential oil in here. I mean, my skin is constantly changing. That's just what it's going through at the moment. And it's just unfortunate that I tried this product at a time where I was experiencing sensitivity to this essential oil. Ultimately, if you're looking for what I would recommend for a sensitive skin serum, I would go for the Purito over this one. It's some different ingredients, but I'm just going off the claims of this product, and that is the one that I would personally go for because throughout using that serum consistently for as long as I've tried it, that product has just been a fallback holy grail for me, and I've never experienced sensitivity with it. So if you are looking for a soothing acne fighting serum, I would recommend that. Still would recommend this to certain people. I feel like if you are able to tolerate the essential oils, this is going to be an amazing formula because they utilize great ingredients in here. I saw some great benefits before I started experiencing sensitivity already with some of my redness and with some of my acne, but I feel like this just limits the amount of people that are able to use it, which is my issue with some certain essential oils being included in formulas. I just don't really see much of a point for it, especially when I experience sensitivity from it. It's just not something that I enjoy in my skincare. It was also not the most pleasant smelling experience. It was kind of overwhelming. I really wish they would release, like Purito does, an unscented formulation of this so I could enjoy the full benefits of this, but it just sadly wasn't for me. Not to say it's not for you, but if you know you're sensitive to fragrance, I just wanted to provide that alternative that I am personally going to be going for over this one. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.